Kalpen, आपकी लाइफ में भी ऐसे इंस्टेंसेस हैं, like if I take my example, I'm 36 right now, I have a car loan, I have a home loan, so but obviously जो इन्वेस्टमेंट था थोड़ा सा नीचे आया because then you have to accommodate these expenses as well. How you navigated through that phase when you were in your career growth?
See, partly I think I had this maths taught by one investor of mine. He was a very wise Marwadi investor, must be a multi-billionaire. But he had a shop smaller than this podcast room. And when I met him, I didn't know that he's such a big guy. In one conversation, he made this comment that Mumbai is one of the most expensive and mispriced, real estate market. तो 2% का यील्ड बनता है मुंबई में. तो जो भी एसेट की वैल्यू है उसके ऊपर जो रेंटल यील्ड होती है वो 2% की है. तो जिसने घर खरीदा है उसको कोई वैल्यू नहीं मिलती, उसको 2% मिलता है. उसके सामने म्यूचुअल फंड में उस जमाने में बॉन्ड्स में 10 से 12% इंटरेस्ट रेट्स होते थे. एंड इक्विटी मार्केट ने ओवर द लास्ट 25-30 ईयर्स 15% रिटर्न दिया है. तो बॉन्ड्स और स्टॉक्स को मिला दिया तो भी पोर्टफोलियो 10 से 12% कमा लेता है इफ यू रिमेन अ डिसिप्लिन्ड इन्वेस्टर वर्सेस 2% yield that the owner of a home would get.
Right.
So all of us, like you said, we are not born with wealth. We are not born with assets. We are building our cash flows slowly. So I happened to invest first, and only later in life, when the size of my investment became very large because of time value of money.
Right.
Thankfully, being in this industry taught me that time dena bahut zaruri hai, not get in and get out too fast. So I started investing in 1998. In 2021, which is in my 23rd year, the size of my portfolio became reasonably large because of career growth and portfolio value growth, that I was able to afford a home of my own without taking a loan.
Right.
So my decision to buy a home was later. I took the decision of buying units first.
Right.
In the early part of my career, I acquired units, which is just huge role of luck that I have acquired units in that phase of our country's transition when markets and stocks were underappreciated.
Right.
जब किसी को stocks खरीदने नहीं थे, सब सस्ते थे. So when you have been able to build a portfolio at such points, and generally when good times happen, you make a lot of returns. So the size of the portfolio also grows. So you keep investing and then market gives you the upside and the tailwind. So I was very fortunate that in the early 10-15 years of my career, barring 4 years of 2003 to 7, most periods stocks were cheap.
Right.
Most periods markets were despondent. Most periods belief in equity investing was very low.
Right.
No one used to say mutual fund सही है. No one used to say stocks में पैसा हमेशा बनता है. तो सब सस्ते में मिल रहा था. So I was able to acquire more units. And in the second half of my career, which is starting 2015 to now, in the last 10 years, stocks have risen very sharply.